When it comes to home improvement, replacing your doors might not always be at the top of the list. However, new doors can have a transformative impact on your home's appearance, security, energy efficiency, and even its value. For homeowners in Layton, Utah, door replacement is a smart investment that can enhance both the functionality and curb appeal of your property. Here are the top 5 reasons to consider door replacement for your home in Layton. Improved curb appeal and aesthetic value. The first thing anyone notices when approaching your home is the exterior, and your front door is a key focal point. A dated, worn out, or damaged door can make your entire home appear neglected, while a modern, stylish door can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property. Whether you choose a sleek contemporary design, a traditional wooden door, or a more ornate entryway, a new door can make your home stand out in the neighborhood. In Layton, where homes vary from classic suburban styles to newer, more contemporary designs, replacing your door with one that complements your home's architecture can instantly boost its curb appeal. With a variety of materials, finishes, and styles available, you can easily find a door that matches your taste and elevates the look of your property. Enhanced energy efficiency. The older doors, especially those made of single-pane glass or wood, can allow drafts to seep into your home, making it harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This results in higher energy bills as your heating and cooling systems work harder to compensate for the lost air. By replacing your door with an energy-efficient option, such as a door with a solid core or energy-efficient glass, you can significantly reduce energy loss. Energy-efficient doors are typically designed with insulating materials and weather stripping to minimize drafts and heat transfer. This is particularly important in Layton, where temperatures can range from hot summers to cold winters. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door not only helps you save on utility bills but also creates a more comfortable living environment year-round. Increased home security. Your front door is the primary entry point for your home, and its security is critical. Older doors may have weakened frames, loose hinges, or outdated locking mechanisms that make them more susceptible to forced entry. Modern doors come with advanced security features, including stronger materials, reinforced frames, and high-quality locks that make it more difficult for intruders to break in. In Layton, where home security is a top priority for many residents, replacing an old door with a new, secure one can offer peace of mind. Whether you opt for a steel door, which is known for its strength and durability, or a solid wood door with upgraded locks, a new door can significantly enhance the safety of your home and family. Better functionality and durability. Over time, doors can become difficult to open and close due to wear and tear. If your current door sticks, squeaks, or doesn't latch properly, it can become a hassle to use. Additionally, if your door is cracked, warped, or rotting, it may not offer the level of protection it once did. A new door can solve these functional issues, providing smooth operation and improved durability. Whether you choose a fiberglass, steel, or high-quality wood door, you'll benefit from a more reliable and long-lasting entryway. New doors are built with stronger materials and more precise construction, meaning they will continue to operate smoothly for years to come. Increased home value and return on investment. If you're considering selling your home in the near future, door replacement is a simple yet effective way to increase its value. Potential buyers are often drawn to homes with modern, attractive features, and a beautiful, high-quality door can make a strong first impression. Whether it's your front door, patio door, or interior doors, upgrading them can help your home stand out in the competitive Layton real estate market. Additionally, many homeowners find that replacing their doors yields a solid return on investment, ROI. According to industry reports, replacing your front door with an energy-efficient or stylish model can recoup a significant portion of the cost when you sell your home. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, the added aesthetic appeal and security of new doors will improve your daily living experience. Conclusion: replacing doors in your Layton home may seem like a small change, but it offers substantial benefits. From enhancing curb appeal and energy efficiency to increasing security and functionality, the reasons to upgrade your doors are compelling. With a range of styles and materials to choose from, you can find a door that fits both your needs and your budget. Whether you're looking to improve the look of your home, increase its value, or simply make it more comfortable, door replacement is a home improvement project that provides lasting rewards.